Okay, so this is the lawnmower I found by the side of the road for free. There was also a strimmer which I'll show you in another video. This is just a generic Honda, or Chinese copy of a Honda. Model number FPLM99-2. No brand name on it to speak of anywhere. And yeah, we're just going to see if this thing actually runs. Now you might have noticed there is a bit of an issue with the carb, which I didn't notice a minute ago. Appears to be leaking some fuel out the carburetor. Oh well, don't turn it back. So I'll give it a bit more of a prime, but I'm not sure priming is what it needs. It wasn't dripping to start with, but it is now. It says 3 times, it doesn't feel like it's doing a lot. It's obviously got a carb problem. Run a little rich. That carb's obviously got a stuck float because it's leaking a bit of fuel. But there's your dipstick. And there is oil there. And that's what it's like. It's hardly been used. The oil is hardly even black. Of course you've got the handle which is held together with duct tape. So I suspect this thing has held with duct tape for quite a while. You can see there on the handle. I just got sick of it and bought another one. There's this leak from the carb. May or may not have been doing beforehand. It's leaking out the primer bulb. Oh, partly out the carb. No, it is leaking out the float bowl as well. This needs to be taken apart and the carburetor cleaned. But apart from that, I mean, it is working, surprisingly. An obvious Honda clone. Blade underneath. Been used, but oh, it came with a free reel of duct tape over there. Yeah, that concludes this video on the Chinese Honda copy of a lawnmower. The handle's a bit flexy as well. See you later.